How to transfer data from Excel sheet to SPSS for further statistical analysis. Here in this data sheet, I had generated random variables. We have here 6 data sets or 6 variables. The first one is the ID. The second one is the sex, which is male or female, and that is a nominal data or nominal variables. It is categorical. It can be either male or female, and it is dichotomous. The qualification is again another nominal variable, since it has degrees in it: A-level, GCSE, bachelor degree, master degree, and a PhD. So it is a nominal categorical data. Nationality data are nominal variables, as it has categories in it. And I had added also another variable, which is ordinal, 7-point Likert scale from 1 to 7. And finally, the weight is a continuous variables. It is a scale and it's numerical. So we have here different combination of variable, scale, ordinal, and nominal categorical. Before transferring this file into SPSS, I'm going to code the nominal data and give it a certain code for 0, 1, 2, and 3, and so on for each category. So to do that, click on Control F and then click on Replace, and then select the first or the second variable, which is the 6 variable. I'm going to change the male 6 and give it a code, change the code for that into 0 and give it a code of 0, doing replace to all. And then for females, I'm going to give it a code of 1. Click on replace all, and so the 6 has now been coded as 0 or 1, 0 for male, 1 for female. We're going to repeat the same thing for the qualification. I'm going to code the GCSE with a 0. So type here GCSE and give it a code of 0, and then click on replace all. And then for the A-level, give it a code of 1, and for bachelor degree, give it a code of 2, and for master degree, I'm going to give it a code of 3, and for PhD, I'm going to give it a code of 4. So this now qualification variable has been coded from 0 to 4. I'm going to do the similar things into the nationality. I'm going to give a UK a code of 0, US 1, China 2, India 3, and finally Canada 4. So now we have coded all the nominal data for the 6 qualification and nationality and give it a code from 0 and onward, and that will make it much easier to handle data in SPSS. The next step is to save this file in Excel. Click on File, Save As, and I'm going to name it as a test. Overwrite that. So it has been saved in Excel. The next step is to launch the SPSS. To transfer the data from Excel to SPSS, we have two options here, either to go for open data or import data and use a database, which is Excel. And I'm going to go for the standard one, which is open data. In the open data, I'm going to scroll down to the folder and select the Excel file. So for file type, going to select Excel here and then select that file and open, and the file will be eventually transferred into SPSS. I'm going to click here OK, and the file is now imported into SPSS for all the 6 variables with the coding in them. And I'm going to do few editing before finalizing this data. So if you click in variable view, I'm going to since the ID is a number, so we're going to keep it as a scale, and then I'm going to align the data into the center and give it a column width of 6. Now for the 6, again 6 is nominal, measures in a nominal scale, and align, I'm going to align it to the center, and I'm going to leave that into 6 column width. And for values, and I'm going to again assign the values 0 or 1 or 2 to the corresponding label. So 0 for the 6, we have given it to the male, and then we add that, and 1 for female, add that, and click on OK. And if we click on data view, we'll see that the 6 has been given a label for 0 and 1. Now for the qualification, again it is nominal, going to make it to the center, and I'm going to make the width 6, and again we need to assign the values or the codes for the corresponding label. Since we had inserted 0 value for the GCSE and 1 for A level, and 2 for bachelor, and 3 for master, and 4 for PhD. Click on OK. Again, if you look here, it is being given a label for all the corresponding coding. Going to do the same thing for the nationality. Nationality, we keep it nominal, as it is a nominal data. Center that, give it a 6 width, and then going again to give a label. We said that 0 for nationality is UK. Add this, and then 1 for US. Add this, and 2 for China, and 3 for India, and 4 is Canada. Click on OK. Again, if you view the data here, we see that it has been given a label. Going to do a final editing here for the Likert scale. Since the Likert scale is an ordinal data, it's an order from 1, 2, 3 up to 7, so there is an order in it. I'm going to keep it as ordinal. I'm going to center that and give that value of 6. For the weights, again the weight is a scale, it's continuous, so it measures in a scale. Center that and leave it the width at 6. So here we have the data now edited for categorical and categorical nominal, and ordinal for Likert scale, and a scale for continuous data such as the weight. Then this data can be further processed for either descriptive analysis or statistical analysis. So this is the way to transfer data from Excel into SPSS.